I already backed in, but then realized I couldn't open my awning on the other side of my van. So I pulled forward, moved my leveling box, got them into place, and I'm going to back onto them now, and we should be good for the night. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm David, the Weird Outdoors, and we're on a little van camping trip with my oldest daughter, Ella Marie, who just turned 8 back in August. We're camping at a somewhat local state park, less than an hour from home. It's called General Butler State Park. General Butler is actually only one of 9 state parks that are open year-round here in Kentucky. And not only are they open year-round, their bathrooms are open year-round, their showers are open, and it's heated. So pretty nice resource to have. We've actually been here a few times, and it's all around a nice campground to stay at and a great place to go for just a quick getaway on the weekend. Should be a good trip. We're going to make some tacos tonight for dinner and just kind of relax this evening. And then tomorrow we're actually going to hike one of the trails that we haven't hiked. We've done 2 of the trails here at this park, but we're going to do their longest one tomorrow. It's 4.5 miles. That'll be Ella Marie's longest hike too. You ready?
Yeah.
You are?
I think Anne is ready too.
All right, but for tonight, I think we're just gonna get our awning set up and get kind of camp situated for the evening. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get out of here. You ready? And get your coat on. Anna, no. Stay. You cold? You want to go ahead and get in the van? Okay, cool. How you guys doing in here? Nice and warm? Yes. Okay. All right, let's go and check out their restrooms real quick and go potty, and then we can go for a little walk. Sound good?
Good.
Okay. Here's their restrooms. I think this is the ladies on this side. I don't remember. You want to go check it, Emery? It is?
Yeah. Well, that sucks.
Closed for repairs. Says please use bathhouse near camp gate. So we can go do that, but we also have the potty bucket, so we can just run back to the van. There you go. Good. Wait. What are you doing?
Standing on this and being crazy.
I'd say the only downside to camping here, especially in the winter, is the fact that you're so close to the road over here, just on the other side of the lake. So you do get a little bit of road noise, less in the summertime when there's more coverage on the trees, but worth it all the way around. You can see our van, you know, literally right up here. So pretty close to the water. Nice, pretty spot. Oh, hold on, say it again. Say it to the camera.
I said when we get home, I'm going to tell Mom to wash my shoes because they're already getting muddy.
Why can't you wash them?
Because Mom's the best one.
Mom's the best at it?
Lazy.
And you're lazy. Yeah, that sounds more like it. I don't blame you. Looks like there was a real poet out here. Anna's on too? All right, made it back to the van. We're going to get our extension cord out the back so we can plug into electric here, and it will be good to go. I actually haven't showed you guys the back side of my van. It's a little messy right now. We got all of our blankets on the bed and whatnot, but Have these 2 drawers that I built here. Each of them are 2 foot deep. I left them kind of shallow and put some grip tape in the bottom of them. That way I had kind of more options of what I stored on them. I have all of our extension cords in this little cubby here, and that one's actually empty right now, but we're going to get our big extension cord out here and get our heater plugged in. All right, got our little heater here between the 2 seats. It's a infrared electric heater. It doesn't get hot on the sides or back, just pretty much right there in the front. I've used it in here before, and it works pretty well. All right, looks like we got power. I'm not gonna turn it on just yet. I just want to make sure it had power. We're going to hang out outside for a little bit still. I think we're gonna get a fire going and have a little daddy-daughter time. All right, I know I said I was starting a fire tonight, but what I actually meant is I am getting our ammo can campfire candle out, and we're gonna light that up and just kind of relax for the evening. Feels it. All right, guys, Hannah decided it was too cold and went inside on us, but we're gonna have us a little father-daughter beer. I have me a, well, let's start with hers first. We got her a delicious root beer. Here you go, baby. And then I am drinking 3 Floyd's Zombie Dust. Brewed and canned by 3 Floyd's Brewing Company in Munster, Indiana. Art by Tim Seeley. Man, I tell you what, a lot of the, I've seen some really cool beer cans, but not too many of them actually credit the artists like they should. So kudos to you, 3 Floyds. Thanks for doing that. Can art's pretty cool. I'll let you guys check it out. Got your root beer. Hold on to it. Don't drink it. Don't drink it yet. We got our Zombie Dust.
It already tastes good. I tasted it from the tap.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, baby. How's yours? Good? Mm-hmm. It's definitely a good one. It's pretty hoppy, but I don't mind that every now and then. I don't drink IPAs every day, but I don't mind one every now and then. All right, guys, it's dark. We're about to cook some tacos. Marie's hanging out in the van in front of the Mr. Buddy heater right now. We'll kick on our electric heater later once we close up the van for the night. But about to cook some dinner, throw some tacos in the skillet, and eat some food. And then I'm actually using some pork from some pigs me and my wife raised. Nice farm-raised pork. Turn that up just a tiny bit. Pork's pretty much done. I'm actually going to turn it down just a little bit. It's not super greasy, so I'm going to go ahead and just add in our taco seasoning and let that cook just a little bit longer. Stick the lid on that, keep it hot, and we're going to heat up some tortillas on the other burner real quick. Before I heat up tortillas, we're going to go ahead and cut up this avocado real quick. I think we're just going to kind of score it so we can just scoop some of it out. That way we don't have to get a cutting board out. Oh, that burnt fast. That's okay, Dad will eat that one. Now that one's not bad. And then you want cheese and avocado? All right, guys, here's El Marie's taco. Pork, avocado, and cheese. Here you go, baby. All right, guys, that's dinner. Pork tacos, avocado, some green onion. Almost forgot, I'm gonna make some hot sauce. Use some tapatio. I believe that's how you say it. I love this stuff. guys, it's the most important part of the night. That's right, s'mores. Going to, we got our little sticks here, and we got Hershey's, Reese's, and what was it, Kit Kats? We got some graham crackers, marshmallows. Yeah, we got it all. So let's get over here by the fire. All right, you got your marshmallow ready?
Yep.
Let me get mine on here. Whoop, wrong end.
Wrong hand.
Get mine on here. Guys, somebody was hating on my burnt marshmallow in the comments, but I'm telling you right now, if you ain't burning them, you ain't cooking them right. All right, guys, got a Reese's graham cracker. It's kind of hard to see. We'll show you the light here in a second. Get your marshmallow over here. There you go. Nice toasty marshmallow. Reese's. That one is all yours, lady. Oh, downside to camping so close to a highway, I guess. Good? I kind of broke mine trying to put it together, but let's give it a try here. It's a good choice, Elmarie. Reese's s'mores, guys. Well, guys, pretty good way to end the night. We're going to get cleaned up here in a minute and get into the van for the night. Probably play some games and maybe watch a few movies or something. And we'll see you guys in the morning. How'd you sleep? Did you sleep good? Did you get cold?
A little bit.
Yeah, it is. Let's see, it's currently 48 degrees in the van right now, 34 outside.
Oh, wow.
We brought our electric heater right here, but apparently it does not work at the moment. I'm not real sure why. I haven't used it since winter last year in the van. It's been sitting in my garage, so it's on, has power to it. It's reading 46 degrees now on the floor, but it only worked for maybe a few minutes last night, and then it kicked off and it never came back on. So yeah, go. All right, guys, we were planning on just kind of hanging around camp, making some coffee this morning, a little hot chocolate for the youngin', but I think we're just gonna get going, get started on our hike. We're gonna close up our awning and get our van drive ready, and then we're gonna go drive to the trailhead and get our hike started. You ready?
Yep.
All right, so we're going to get everything closed up and drive ready, and we'll head over to the trail. right, and the last thing I'm gonna do before we get out of here is get our leveling blocks. So we're going to just pull forward enough that we can grab those, and then we'll be good to go. Take a look at our map here. Like I said, we've been to this park before, so I saved the map. So that's where we want to go right here. We're gonna go park at this trailhead. Should be a good hike. The ones we've done in the past is I've done this one here, the Kentucky River Lock Trail, which is only a mile. And we did the Butler Lake Trail, which is 1.6 miles, goes around the lake. So this will also be the longest hike I've done at this park. So not the longest hike I've done, just the longest one at this park. All right, so we're gonna drive over to this trailhead, maybe find a place to dump our trash on the way over there, and then yeah, we'll see you guys there. We're going to throw on some couple extra layers, top off our water bottles, and throw some snacks in the backpack and hit the trail. Let's go. There you go, it's Fossil Trail, that's one we're hitting, 4.5 miles. Come on in. Oh, we just saw some deer down here. Here they are. Try to zoom in so you guys can see them. I know the quality won't be as good. It looks like there's at least 3 deer sitting down in there, 3 white-tailed deer. They're watching the dog. It looks like there's 4 of them down there, 4 or 5. That's pretty cool, getting to see a couple deer while we're on our hike. We're gonna get moving on the trail again now. We saw a couple on our way in yesterday too, but those were the first ones we saw on the trail today. Well, guys, we looked ahead just a little bit, saw a little box turtle crossing the trail. He's hiding from us now, and you know he's a male because of how bright the oranges and reds are on him. This would be a eastern box turtle, and he's probably going to close up. Oh, unless we won't be able to see him in there, but you zoom in a little more. Oh yeah, he closes up all the way. His little feet are in there still. You see his little feet sticking out, but he's hiding there. He's out here warming up in the sun. I'm honestly surprised to see a turtle out at all this time of year. It's January, so. But he found him a little spot in the sun trying to warm up. All right, looks like we got a little turned around somewhere. Not 100% sure how, because I thought we were on the right trail, but there's not a ton of trail markers, so it's kind of hard to tell if you're still on the same trail or not. Excuse the messy hair, guys. We like I said, definitely got turned around. We'll figure it out, but decided to take us a little snack break and kind of refuel before we hit the trail again. All right, we went through kind of referenced Google Maps and compared it to the map from the park, and I think we're heading the right direction now. So we're gonna finish up our snack and hit the trail. All right, made it to the road. There's the overlook right up that way, and then our van is back over there. So let's go check out this little overlook, let you guys see it. All right, guys, made it to the overlook. Messy hair and all. Let's check it out. See what kind of view we got. Oh, wow. Yeah, pretty cool overlook. So this is Carrollton, Kentucky here. And then that's, I'm not sure exactly what city it is, but that's the Ohio River. And then that's Indiana on the other side of the river. All right, we just got a short walk down this road here behind us, and then we'll be back at the van. So we'll see you guys there. Oh, that is a glorious sight after that hike. Thank you guys for watching and tagging along on this week's adventure. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I'll see you next week. Peace.